There is one very powerful method that will help everyone break free from your financial blocks. In case you don't know what I do, I help people go in from getting no results to getting results. Financial blocks are limiting beliefs, and they keep you stuck in a scarcity mindset. Now, these beliefs really do hold everybody back from achieving their financial success, even if you're working really hard to achieve those goals, to make that breakthrough. EFT, or otherwise known as tapping, or otherwise known as emotional freedom technique, is a very powerful and easy to apply method that works by tapping on specific acupuncture points on the top part of our body. So it's easy to reach. And you can rewire your brain, it reduces your anxiety, and it shifts your mindset from a mindset of scarcity to a mindset of abundance. Here's a really quick step-by-step process for you, just to give you an idea. First of all, you identify your limiting beliefs. I'm not making money, I can't make money, I'm not worth money, money's bad. Identify a limiting belief. Then you want to set your intention, and that intention obviously is to clear that belief, because that's what's holding you back. And then your next step will be to tap on the side of your hand, what is called as the karate chop. And there you will start on the karate chop, and you'll sort of, work your way around the 9 points. And you'll see this in the free workshop that you can download. So I invite you to download my free EFT workshop by clicking on the link tree above in my bio. Download the workshop, and please leave your comments below, because I'd love to hear how you're doing. And if you have any questions, just pop them in the comments, because I'll get back to you. Bye.